Hey guys, it's me Heather, and I'm here to do a first impressions, kind of testing it Tuesday. Although I've already been testing it, this is just kind of the review, first impressions. I've been trying it for a few days, and I just wanted to share with you guys. I know some people hate first impressions, and some people love them, and I love them. So I thought I would do this video since I've been trying out some new things. The two items that I'm talking about, you probably saw from the title, are the new Maybelline items. And so this is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Complete Foundation. It's 24 hours. And it looks like this. And it comes with a handy dandy pump. And I am in the shade Natural Ivory. Now, when I was at Walgreens and they had all their brand new stuff, all their stuff on a display like they normally do, they did not have any shades lighter than, oh, I've used this, you can tell it's dirty. They did not have any lighter shades than Natural Ivory. This was the lightest one. I even went to the section to look on their wall, make sure they didn't have more. They had no lighter ones. I come home, and because I want to look it up and see if there are, how many shades are available. They have two lighter shades than Natural Ivory. So this is 112. Now, just for reference, I wear Snow in the Too Faced Born This Way, and it's almost too dark for me. I wear like NC15 and MAC. Always the lightest shade, like in the Urban Decay All Nighter, I'm like 0.5 and 1 and 0.5, like I can mix those two. So I'm usually always the lightest shade, and I have a yellow undertone, I'm not pink undertone. This is my perfect match. So I'm really confused because I thought this was going to be too dark for me just looking at it. And I said, I'm going to try it. It won't hurt anything. I can use a little bit of concealer to kind of, you know, help even it out. Because it's not super dark. But when I put it on, I'm like, is it too light for me? Like, I mean, I've been wearing it a few days. But I even went outside and took some pictures. They may be inserted here. I haven't looked at them yet. So I may look like a crazy person. But I think it looks beautiful. Now, just a little bit of history on my skin as well. I have oily T-zone and I have dryness. I'm acne prone, sensitive, so I have breakouts. I have some dry patches where I'm drying out those breakouts. I'm 35, so I have just some very subtle fine lines starting here. A little dry on my forehead, like on the side here on my forehead, because for some reason I broke out there. So I've been drying that out. And I do use a lot of anti-aging products that have like retinol and stuff like that in it, so that dries me out. And I do peels, so I have both. I have oily and I have dryness. This looked beautiful on me. The reviews I've seen were, you know, people were saying, oh my gosh, I'm so oily, I'm so greasy. I did put an illuminating primer underneath. It's the Tarte. I don't know if they still sell it. I had a little set of 3 of them and I'm finishing my 3rd one, but it's an illuminating primer. And I just put it under my eyes because that's where everything wants to sit. And it's the only place I put it, was just under my eyes to kind of give me a little bit of illumination. And just my regular Marc Jacobs coconut primer. And then I use this. So I don't use a pore primer, a long lasting, anything, just my normal Too Faced. You can use Too Faced, but I use Marc Jacobs coconut primer underneath and then the illuminating under my eyes, which I do for any matte foundation. And I love it. It's not clinging to my dry patches. It's not showing texture. It's not sitting under my eyes. I'm going to get close because I don't have zoom on this camera. And I'm hoping you can just see. Like I said, if the pictures turned out good, there will be pictures. But hopefully you can see my makeup. This today has been on for several hours, probably 5. And it is cold, but I mean, I've been in and out, walking the dogs, you know, just doing daily chores. But I've worn it for 2 days. Okay. I wore it for 2 days previous. Again, just basic errands, just, you know, just day-to-day life. I haven't done anything crazy, like, you know, I didn't go snowboarding or anything, but just basic everyday wear foundations that I've had that didn't last 2 hours before I started breaking apart. When I went to take my makeup off, my highlight, my foundation, my bronzer, blush, everything was still on. Foundation was still on. And I didn't find that I was greasy. Like, a lot of matte foundations show all my texture. And then it still breaks apart here. if you're interested, I can do like a video where I do like a check-in throughout the day. I can do that. But since I've tried it, today's my 3rd day wearing it. I thought I've worn it enough. It's more than a first impression to tell you that I like it a lot. I have the package because I've been wearing it. It's the Total Temptation Blackest Black Mascara, and that's just the packaging if you're looking for it. And Walgreens, of course, had it buy one get one half off. Ulta has buy one get one half off, and you can use $3.50 off 15 coupon, $3.50 off $15 coupon. If you have Ulta Rewards, you can probably get it for free. So anyways, this is the packaging. I love this like baby pink. I don't know, it's not really pink. I mean, it is pink, but I just love the packaging. I think it's very pretty. And it is a wet formula, so if you're not a fan of that, you get so much product, you do have to wipe it off. But that is the wand. It's not a stabby, plasticky, like sharp wand. So if you like the old school wands, this is pretty old school. I am still in the comparison because Sylvia Gani, in one of her videos, I'll link her down below, she said, she's the reason I bought it, she said that it reminded her of Lancome Monsieur Big. I agree. I have both, so I was like, I'm going to test them. I'm going to wear one on one eye, one on the other eye. I mean, I honestly, I agree with her 100%. I think it's like the exact same formula. I think it's the same dang thing for, you know, $8. So if you like that mascara and you want to just save that for special occasions, pick this up. I also love this because you can build it. So like you do it and you're like, oh, that's nice. It's a great everyday. And then you can put it on a little bit more and get a little bit more. And it's not clumpy. You still get the long, like full lashes, but it's not like the, I don't know, it doesn't get all thick and gross and, you know, I don't know if you can see my lashes or not, but, I mean, I don't even, sometimes I just wear like the little demi wispies on the ends and stuff just to give me a little bit. Haven't bothered with it. I like this a lot. Again, it is a wet formula, so do a layer, you know, and then do a layer on this eye, and then come back if you want more. But don't just sit and just keep doing it over and over, because when you blink, it will come down here. First time I did it, and then I just, like I said, just went to the next eye and did it, let it dry, go and did it one more time, and that was more than enough. So, it's not like it's flaking, it's not coming down my face. After the first time of making that mistake, I didn't do it again, and I've had great luck with it. Like I said, it doesn't flake off. Today I put on extra just because I'm filming and stuff, so I have extra on, but it's not like breaking apart and coming down my face. So I like it a lot. I recommend it if you're looking for something drugstore, especially oily girls that are suffering out there. Try this out. If you're oily all over, I don't know. I'm like combination. So here, all down here, and even on my chin, like under my lip and stuff here, I get so oily and I have to blot it. I have not had to do that with this, so I'm very impressed. But it is like 18 degrees, so if you live somewhere where it's humid, I don't know. The summer will be the true test, I guess, for me. But again, that and this is what you'll be looking for. Hope you enjoyed the review. If you have specific questions, leave those. If you have specific questions, leave those down below. As always, please comment, like, share, subscribe, and I will talk to you next time.